Hello guys, man, Kido here. In this video, you're gonna learn how to make this. Yeah. So I'm gonna create general. Right, get rid of all this. Maybe you wanna make something. Get rid of them. Then you go to edit. Yeah, here. Then you go to preferences. Load them. Then you go search. Maybe you want to write lightning or just sky. You're gonna see it anywhere. You're gonna see sky. Yep. You see a lightning and the sky. This is it. Then you're gonna activate it. Then if you want to save it, then you save it. Save preferences. Then go there. Then come here. Press N. You're gonna go Quake. And you're gonna see here dynamic sky. So you're gonna Quake. Wait, Quake. Then you go to world. Go here. Then you see dynamic one. Click it. Might see something pop up, huh? So right now on number view. So let me take it to rendered view. So you're gonna see it now. You're gonna say make it small view. This is it. If you want to make it to look rainy or something, then you're gonna make it very bluish context. Look like this. You might play around with this to see what it gives you. This is how it is right now. Might play around this. Make it light. Make it more lighter. More thicker to make it look rainy or real. Yeah. Then you might change the cloud color to red, anything you want, anywhere you want it. It's up to you. Might make it very white, might play around with it. So this, you're gonna increase the brightness. See, you can increase the sound value, make it more light. You can play with this. When you're done, like this mine, let me reduce the sound value. Sound, reduce it. The brightness is gonna make it look things okay like this. Then things okay like this. This is sound right there. So if you increase it, sound value is gonna be dark. It's too much. And it's a little bit too much. That's why I'm making that mistake. Yep. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. God bless you. Please subscribe for more. If you enjoyed the video, then share, like, and please subscribe. Thank you. Peace.